Stop playing with them, Riot.
So good, bro. Just got pulled over by the cop. I was using the emergency lane to get to the light faster, and he dead pulled me over. He said he might not give me a ticket though. Let's see. I think he just wanted to chop it up and tell me not to do that. You know, my state troopers, man. I gotta go to class, bro. I'm literally on my way to class. Damn, bro. Free me, bro. Free me. I think that's like my second time getting pulled in Orlando. I've been here for like 4 years. Y'all saw the reason he pulled me because I used the emergency lane to get over. I wanted to get in the left turn lane a little bit quicker, skip some traffic. I guess he saw my record was like really clean, so he ain't really bothered me too much. Is that an E36? That shit is clean. I'm actually on my way to go get a fuel pump right now. So me and Kyle were actually data logging. If you guys don't know who Kyle is, that's my tuner Handy built. I'm not gonna lie, he's a golden tuner, bro. He always helps me out with everything I need. Anything I need help with, bro, I just hit him up real quick. That responds, bro. Gotta show love to him all the time. He be having my car running perfect. So if you guys need a street tune, hit up Handy Built on Instagram. Go ahead and hit him up, send him a DM, tell him I sent you. He gonna go ahead and get you right. I'm on my way to go pick up a fuel pump right now. We're not 100% sure exactly what it is. When I go into full boost, there's not enough fuel being delivered to the engine. So go ahead and buy the fuel pump. I'm gonna go ahead and take apart the fuel cell when I get home. See if any fuel lines back there are busted or cracked or leaking. That could also be a reason why, but I'm gonna just go ahead and buy the fuel pump just in case, you feel me? Because I'm not gonna take it apart, then realize it's a fuel pump, then go all the way back to the shop. The shop that I'm going to is in Kissimmee, by the way, so it's a good 40 minutes from me. So I'm picking up the same fuel pump, Walbro 525. It's a Hellcat Universal E85 fuel pump. We should be good with this. Hopefully we'll get the car back up and running today. I don't see a reason why we wouldn't. I just know, bro, I have a real good feeling there's something inside that fuel cell. Roadrunner boosted Civic, bro. Be all over the place. O&J Performance. See what they got, man.
Golden. Stop playing with them, Riot.
Got what we came for, Walbro 525, Hellcat Universal fuel pump. Cool guy that worked there, bro. Big shout out to Anthony. He's the one who suggested me into the shop. That boy got a boosted 9th gen clapping up Lambos and shit, bro. I don't know. That sounds a little crazy to me. Imagine a boosted Civic, 9th gen Civic clapping up Lamborghini Huracans. Wait till I turn up this boost, bro. Alright guys, so I just spent the last, let me show y'all real quick. Spent the last 20 minutes taking out the fuel cell. But the problem wasn't even the fuel pump. I guess this could be the fact I'm running E85. I don't know if y'all see that crack in the line right there. This will definitely cause me to lose fuel pressure and go lean while I'm in full boost. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I'm not gonna lie, where that shit went. Look who we got coming home right now. We got Bag Max coming home. She looking clean. Alright, you didn't even have to flex on me like that, bro. Why you gotta flex on me like that? Why you airing out like that, bro? Shit, bro.
Hey, bro, I just know, bro. Saturday, bro, we up, bro.
Yeah, it took me like 15 minutes. I replaced the hose and I got the fuel cell back in its place. So I'm about to put everything back together and go on a test rip. Before I test rip though, I'm about to re-flash it with the last tune that Handy sent me. So got my tune loaded up right here. Upload it. Decides to load. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Now we just gotta push it at full boost and see if the air to fuel goes down into the 11s. Look at this guy.
Stop playing with him, Riot.
Is that your car, bro? Is that your car? It was a boost leak, you know, first pull.
Yeah, a little boost leak.
Just a little. Go to fuck. Yeah, your boy definitely trying to step out into the fucking afterlife. Took me like 15 minutes. Oh, bitch, damn, bro. Damn. It's crazy. Putting these shits in. Damn. Come on, come on. I ain't even plugging this shit, my dumb ass. Hold up.